In today's fast paced business world, managing projects efficiently is crucial for success. Whether you're working in construction, IT, healthcare, or any other industry, the ability to lead projects with precision and foresight can make or break a company. Imagine having the power to not only deliver projects on time and within budget, but also to drive innovative solutions and manage teams across multiple departments. That's where the PMP certification comes in. Why is PMP certification so important? Project management is more than just a job, it's a critical skill that businesses are looking for in their leaders. The PMP Project Management Professional Certification is recognized globally as the gold standard for project management. It proves that you have the expertise and knowledge to lead projects and teams to success. Companies are constantly looking for certified project managers to help them manage their growing portfolios of projects, and the demand is higher than ever before. The PMP certification can help you land lucrative roles in IT, manufacturing, finance, healthcare, and other exciting industries. PMP certified project managers drive better project performance and are often rewarded with substantial pay raises as shown below. PMP certified professionals can earn an average salary of $110,000 plus in the US. In India, PMP certified project managers earn an average salary of 12 lakh rupees per year with the potential for significant growth as you gain experience. Simplilearn's PMP training course is meticulously designed to cover every core topic you need to become an effective project manager. The course not only prepares you for the PMP exam, but also teaches you the latest trends in project management, including new technologies and business practices. With an emphasis on strategic and business knowledge, you'll learn how to make informed decisions and lead teams to success. Key features of the training: 35 contact hours of live virtual learning. Get ahead and stay ahead with dynamic live sessions delivered by experienced instructors. Exclusive masterclasses on generative AI transform project management with cutting edge AI technology. Hands on practice, gain experience with 12 simulations, over 500 PMI exclusive questions, and a comprehensive question bank of 1,500 plus questions. Support and resources: access a cheat sheet, study plans, and exam application support from experts to guide you through every step of the PMP journey. 24/7 assistance. Get help whenever you need it with Simplilearn's round-the-clock course assistance. What skills will you master? This course covers essential skills that are crucial for every project manager. Work breakdown structure, WBS. Learn how to decompose complex projects into manageable tasks, ensuring efficiency at every stage. Gantt charts. Visualize timelines and project milestones to ensure everything stays on track. Project cost estimating. Accurately estimate costs, ensuring financial oversight throughout the project lifecycle. Engineering economics. Understand how to manage costs and investments, particularly in engineering projects. Resource allocation. Master the art of assigning resources effectively, maximizing productivity and minimizing waste. Mathematical project scheduling models. Use advanced techniques to maintain schedules and meet deadlines. Cost management. Learn to control project budgets and avoid cost overruns. Leadership. Develop critical leadership skills to manage teams, communicate effectively, and achieve project goals. Why choose Simplilearn's PMP certification? Choosing Simplilearn's PMP certification training means you'll be learning from industry experts who know what it takes to succeed in project management. Our approach blends theoretical knowledge with practical hands-on learning, equipping you with the tools and skills you need to lead successful projects. With a PMP certification, you're not just preparing for an exam, you're preparing for a career that can take you to the next level. Start your PMP certification today. If you want to elevate your project management career, the PMP certification is the way to go. With Simplilearn's comprehensive training, you'll be well equipped to take on any project, lead diverse teams, and make a significant impact. Don't miss out on the opportunity to set yourself apart in the competitive world of project management. Start your journey toward PMP certification today.